again. I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Well, we're heading off from Denali and crossing the Bet Creek at Bet. A left-hand turn onto the Bendigo Road. G'day bloke. Now a right hand turn towards Simpson and Havelock on our way to Carisbrook. Turn left to go to Eddington and Bendigo, and turn right to go to Carisbrook. Turn left to go to Malort and Newstead and beyond. Turn right to head into Maryborough, or continue our journey when we turn off to the left up past the school. This is where they grow hydroponic vegetables, which are incomplete nutrient. Turning to go on to Lake Tullyrook. The lake is beyond that earth embankment. We come up around these corners till we go over the Weir wall. So we'll turn around on the other side of the spillway and then head back and turn off and go down and have a look at the boat ramp. There are picnicking areas and camping spots around the lake, and they say you can catch brown and rainbow trout there, golden perch, yabbies and even Murray cod, so they say. Whoops, just noticed the turn off to Majorca, so we'll head across that way and see if there's much to see. But not much, I don't think. Well, Majorca's on the left, but we'll head right on our way back to Maryborough, or on our way to Maryborough, that is. The road straight ahead goes to Daisy Hill and Talbot. The road off to the left is off to Ballarat, and we have turned up the road toward Maryborough. On the left here we have the Highland Club in Maryborough. St Vinny's on the right, I think, just there. Servo on the corner. Roundabout, you can turn left and then right to go up to the cop shop. I don't think that pub's used anymore on the left there. On the left we have Rustorations, where the girls gather through the week for a coffee. Then all we've got to do is avoid these people that step out onto pedestrian crossings after standing there watching you for 10 minutes as you come along. This is right in the heart of Maryborough, I guess, High Street. A real hive of activity, as you can see. post office up there on the left, right at the end. The Park Hotel, currently the only pub in town that serves grog, I think. And of course there's the golf club, where they've got lots of pokies. And this is Darren Fenton's operation. Well, we're homeward bound. I hope you enjoyed just a little trip around the area. I'll do some more videos if people want them on what else is around.